Right, so this is learning outcome 12. And just stressing, these are the rules for when you do graphs in physics. You might be given different rules in different subjects, okay? And we'll just kind of make bullet points.
Should I just put these down on my iPad?
Okay, so they should be drawn with pencil because it's easier for you to make a mistake.
Not to make mistakes.
Right, and deal with it, okay? Shh.
You need to learn from your mistakes.
So it has two axes with labels and units on each. Right, the units quite often get forgotten. Both of them should be there. It should have what we call regular scales on each axis. So e.g. 1, 2, 3, or 2, 4, 6, etc., or 5, 10, 15. Now that's not the only examples, but that's trying to give you some examples. And generally those numbers, 1s and 2s and 5s, are the easiest to deal with, right? Or multiples of 10 of them. So we always clearly mark the origin with a 0. It should have accurately plotted points. With a cross at each. Okay, not a dot. And lastly, it should have a best fit line either straight or curved, but in first year we'll generally start with straight ones. And the idea there is it goes close to most points. Doesn't have to go through every one. Doesn't have to go through any of them. But just shows us the overall pattern of what's happening.